Hey everyone, Wireless Productions here. We just got back from the shipping terminal and we got our fixture table from JMR Manufacturing. They shipped us a whole bunch of goodies, two benders and notchers and dies and all that stuff. What we're going to do is break everything down. The whole package weighs around 600 pounds. So we're going to break it down, lay it on the shop and show you what we got. So we got the fixture table and all the tools off the truck, and here it is in the shop. So this is, like I said, we got it from our tools from JMR Manufacturing. The only reason we got our tube bender and our equipment from JMR is because the CUDA's roll cage was bent on a JMR tube bender, and we're going to do the same thing. We like the roll cage so much, we're going to do the same thing for the Challenger. But here goes, we'll open it. Jim was kind enough to hook us up all these good tools. We'll show you real quick what's inside. So as you can see, everything's all sealed. I'll open this package first. And it's all made in USA. They're in SoCal, and you know, we want to support good American businesses. So oh, it's probably stable. Let me get some tools to open it up. This is, I'm guessing, maybe a die or something. We ordered a 1 3/4 die. Yeah, that's what it is. Oops. So 1 3/4 die, probably. Yeah, 1.75. You can see there clearly. Well, that machine, it's a nice chunk of aluminum there. So there's a tubing die. And yep, it's a tubing die. I think this is the 5 center line ratio, or CLR, or whatever. And here's a stop pin for it. So that's that. Open this. I'll open this other box over here. So what is this? This is, oh, casters. All right. I'm glad this table came with casters. Great. Faultless. Awesome. Those are casters. Some packing. This is probably the 1-inch die in this box. I'll open this later. I'm going to be using 1 3/4 primarily, but put this aside. What's all this stuff? This box says made in China, but we'll see what's in there. Hopefully it's just nothing too critical. That's never a good sign, but we'll see. Looks like some bracket or something. Made in China. That's great. Looks like some bracket or something like that. Fixture bracket. I'll ask Jim what the hell that is later. And this, I like this box. This is Baldor Reliance. Hopefully they're using Baldor Reliance motors and whatever tooling they have. Or Baldor Reliance are the same motors used in Buffalo machines, drill presses. So you know that's a good brand to be working with. Oh, okay, great. I got a steel clamping kit. These are made in China, though. That's not good, but I got some, looks like 2 or 3x3 wall tubing for a stand for the tubing bender. This box here, what the hell is this thing? More staples. Oh. So this is the 1-inch die. I got a 1-inch die. One-inch tubing die. I think this is what it is. Some more dies. When you buy JMR's little tubing kit, it's like $1,000. It comes with a 1-inch die and a die. Oh, here's a stand. The rest of the stand. For the tube bender, I'm gonna have to weld this all up together. Goes with this thing. When you buy their Raceline tubing bender kit, it's like a starter kit. He'll send you with a 1-inch die, and then the other die is the size of your choice. We're going to be primarily doing road race roll cages, so 1 3/4 is what we chose. But here's that 1-inch die that we're going to be making gussets out of. Let me get the other box. This other box here. There's a seam to it. Cut it in the middle. Cut it from the top. Oh, this is a notcher. Very nice. Here's our Raceline tube notcher. I know you can cut tubes just using an angle grinder with a thin disc, but we wanted to get a notcher too, just in case we, never ever had a need to use more intricate cuts and stuff. So, but yeah, JMR. It says made in USA there. You can't see it in the light. It's hard to see in the light. But so that's the notcher. There's that box. And then, wonder what this thing is. If that's the die over there, I wonder what this box holds. Tell you what, all this is well packaged. What's in here? Oh, sweet. This is great. This is a great box. So these are our Dimple dies. We ordered this 7-piece set. We'll use it for reinforcing panels and lightening up with lightning holes, and you want to gusset it to put some strength back into the metal. So that's great. And then finally we'll come around and open up the tube bender. I ordered a manual tube bender just I can more precisely control the angles of the tubes. That, and I didn't have any more money. But let's get this open for you guys. All right, so there's the contents of the JMR tube bender. Here's the degree wheel, and then here's all the tube benders themselves. I talked to Jim, and he said that they made sure that they use like American bearings, because the Timken ones they used to use are produced overseas now. But yeah, it looks like a great piece. Well, there's some pins and bolts for it. And there's the tube bender itself. There's some pins, hold down pins. All pretty beefy. And then the final thing is the fixture table. So there it is. There's a JMR fixture table. I'll show you guys what's this table consists of at a later time. I'm running out of space in my SD card, but it's a pretty cool table, and we'll put all the welding equipment here. But in the meantime, these are JMR products. We're Wireless Productions. See you guys later.